Can you imagine never having to work again and living the life of true financial freedom? It's possible, but the trick lies in making your money work for you through passive compounding assets. Passive compounding assets are those which can generate returns without regular active involvement. Here are the best passive compounding assets to invest in of all time. Number 1. Savings accounts. Although often overlooked due to their modest interest rates, savings accounts can actually be a powerful and reliable compounding tool, especially when compounded monthly with regular contributions. Number 2. Business ventures. With the right employees, an efficiently managed business can be a gold mine. As profits are ploughed back into operations, the enterprise can expand exponentially, embodying the essence of compounding. All you would need to do is attend the board meetings every so often. Number 3. Cryptocurrency staking. The digital currency world offers staking, a method earned by locking up a certain cryptocurrency holdings. While intriguing, it's imperative to tread with caution and be informed about the inherent risks, as this asset class is relatively new compared to others. Number 4. Dividend-paying stocks. These stocks come with a dual advantage: regular dividends when paired with a dividend reinvestment plan, also known as DRIP. DRIP. This method allows for automatic share accumulation, optimizing the compounding effect. Number 5. Real estate opportunities. Owning rental properties managed with the right property managers, or diving into real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs, the property market promises tangible compounding benefits through appreciated values and rental returns. Number 6. Contemporary investment tools. Platforms like P2P lending, copy trading, and robo-advisors have revolutionized investing. They not only simplify asset management but also automate the reinvestment process, accentuating compounding. Number 7. Intellectual property. Royalties from creative endeavors like writing, software development, faceless YouTube channels, or music production can serve as steady income streams. Strategically reinvesting into these can lead to amplified gains. Number 8. Renting out land, space, or storage. With urbanization on the rise, the demand for land, space, and storage intensifies. Leasing unused land, parking spaces, or storage units, especially in sought-after areas, offers a stable income stream. These assets not only yield consistent rental revenue, but also appreciate over time. As demand surges, rental rates can be adjusted, amplifying returns. This strategy exemplifies passive income assets when managed efficiently. When considering these passive compounding assets, it is essential to balance potential returns with risk. Also, the power of compounding is enhanced the longer the investment duration. So think long term, consider fees and also expenses related to the investment, as they can erode the compounding benefits. To really understand the power of compound interest, make sure you check out this episode here where you can learn everything you need to know about compound interest.